Welcome again. In today's video, we're diving into the mango juice and plantain chips processing business. Mangoes and plantain are popular worldwide for their rich taste and nutrients. Africa has a competitive advantage in mango and plantain production, and both plantain and mango juice processing businesses can bring incredible returns. We'll guide you through the steps, machines you'll need, and effective marketing strategies to succeed in this industry. We would like to let you know that our owner, Mr. Jami, would be able to help you start any factory. We will help you select, buy, install, and start a profitable industrial project in Africa. So please go to this video description, connect with us from the number below via WhatsApp. Looking forward to working with you shortly. Let's start with the mango juice business. Here are our key points. Growth of juice demand in African and global markets. The potential for exporting mango juice and accessing international markets, discussing competition and niche opportunities, organic, sugar-free juice. Before you invest, it's key to understand the demand for mango juice in both local and global markets. Choose a site close to mango farms to reduce transport costs and maintain mango freshness. Choosing a location close to mango farms for lower transport costs and fresher mangoes. Facility setup basics, hygiene standards, food safety requirements, and certifications needed. Creating a smooth workflow layout to increase production efficiency. The first machine you need is a mango washer. This machine thoroughly cleans the mangoes, removing any dirt, pesticides, or debris. Automated washers handle large volumes and save labor, which is key for efficiency. Next, a peeling and de-pitting machine. This equipment removes the peel and seeds, reducing waste and speeding up the process. Mention that semi-automatic options work well for small operations, while full automation is best for larger volumes. Once the mangoes are peeled and de-pitted, you'll use a pulp extraction machine. This machine separates the smooth pulp from the fibers, creating a high-quality juice base. To keep your juice fresh longer, you'll need a pasteurizer. This machine heats the juice to kill harmful microorganisms, extending its shelf life. Pasteurization options like flash pasteurization preserve flavor while ensuring safety. Next, you'll use a filtration and homogenization unit. Filtration removes any remaining particles, while homogenization ensures a consistent texture and prevents separation. For packaging, you need a filling and sealing machine. This machine bottles your juice and seals it to keep it fresh. Semi-automatic options for small setups or fully automated systems for high-output facilities. Finally, a labeling machine helps brand your product by adding attractive labels with your logo, product name, and essential information. Quality control is crucial to maintaining a safe and delicious product. Check for pH, sugar content, and microbial safety. Emphasize the importance of cool storage to maintain product freshness before distribution. Now let's discuss branding and packaging. Your product's appearance is often the first thing consumers notice. Options include glass bottles, recyclable plastic, and eco-friendly cartons. Make labels attractive and easy to read. Highlight health benefits, ingredients, and certifications. To start, focus on the local market. Target supermarkets, grocery stores, cafes, and restaurants. Consider international markets to expand your business. Exporting mango juice can be highly profitable. Use digital marketing to connect with health-conscious consumers online. Use Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to share the story behind your juice, showing the mango-to-bottle process. Leverage the health benefits of mango juice, such as high vitamins and antioxidants, to attract customers. Appeal to eco-conscious consumers with sustainable packaging. Starting a mango juice business is both rewarding and profitable, especially in Africa. By focusing on quality, efficient processes, and strategic marketing, you can turn your mango juice into a household name. Starting a mango juice business is not only a profitable venture, but also a chance to showcase the richness of African mangoes to the world. By focusing on high quality, efficiency, and strategic marketing, Your mango juice can make a lasting impact. We hope this guide has inspired you to take the first step in this exciting business. We're diving into the delicious world of plantain chips now. This snack is popular across Africa and beyond, with a high demand for crispy, tasty, and affordable plantain chips. In this second part of our video, we'll show you how to start a profitable plantain chips business from scratch with step-by-step guidance on the machines you'll need and the marketing strategies to reach more customers. Before setting up your plantain chips business, let's understand the market potential. Plantain chips have high demand locally and internationally. Opportunities in retail and export, especially for organic and preservative-free options. Niche markets, such as spicy flavors, organic options, and low-salt varieties. Next, we'll talk about the basics of setting up your facility. An efficient facility helps maintain hygiene, safety, and workflow. Choose a spot close to plantain farms to reduce transport costs and maintain freshness. Space, water source, power, and storage for raw materials and finished products. Food safety permits, health department regulations, and other certifications. The first step is peeling, which removes the tough plantain skins quickly and effectively. Choose between manual peelers for small-scale or automatic peelers for larger operations. After peeling, plantains need to be sliced evenly for consistent frying. Slicing machines create thin, uniform slices. Options for thickness adjustments allow for various chip textures. Blanching helps retain the color and prevents browning, which is important for appearance and taste. Blanching machines briefly boil plantain slices and cool them down quickly. Some plantain chip recipes benefit from a short dehydration process to remove moisture before frying. Dehydration can improve crispiness and reduce frying time. Next is frying, where plantain slices are cooked until golden and crisp. Options include semi-automatic or fully automatic fryers for batch or continuous frying. Highlight options like vegetable, sunflower, or coconut oil for different flavor profiles. After frying, it's important to remove excess oil for a healthier and crispier chip. De-oiling machines spin off excess oil, creating a lighter snack. Seasoning is where you add flavor. From salt to unique spices, this machine evenly coats each chip. Drums or seasoning machines can toss the chips for even coverage. Before packaging, chips need to cool down to maintain crispiness and quality. In storage conveyors, allow chips to cool evenly. Once cooled, the chips are ready for packaging. Packaging preserves freshness and helps your product stand out. Packaging machines offer options like bagging, vacuum sealing, or nitrogen flushing for freshness. The final touch is labeling, where you add your brand name, flavor, and any nutritional information. Labeling options for bags and containers with brand customization. Quality control is key to delivering a safe and tasty product every time. Check for factors like moisture content, oil levels, and consistency in flavor. Maintain a cool, dry place for finished products to ensure freshness. Clear expiration dates and safe packaging practices. Branding and packaging play a huge role in your success. An attractive, well-packaged product catches the eye and builds customer trust. Build a memorable brand with a logo, brand colors, and a unique story. Make labels easy to read and showcase benefits like low salt, spicy, or gluten-free. Start by introducing your chips locally. Get them in supermarkets, local shops, and vending machines. Organize sampling in stores to introduce new customers to your brand. Consider exporting if your product meets international standards. There's a demand for authentic African snacks abroad. Basic export guidelines, certifications, and target markets. Social media is a powerful way to promote your brand. Share your story, recipes, and customer testimonials on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Collaborate with influencers, use eye-catching visuals, and encourage followers to post with hashtags. Promote health benefits and flavor varieties to attract diverse customer groups. Discuss low-sodium, spicy, or organic options to cater to different tastes. Starting a plantain chips business is rewarding and can be highly profitable. With the right equipment, quality ingredients, and smart marketing, your product can become a household name. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide has inspired you to start your own plantain chips business. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more business tips.